Welcome to my channel, folks. Today we are going to set up our development environment. We are going to install serverless and configure it so that we can go ahead and start our projects and interacting with AWS services. There are a couple of things that we need to do before that. For example, we also need an IAM role. So we will be configuring our AWS CLI so that serverless can talk to AWS by pushing our code into Lambda functions. So these are the packages that we are going to install. First is npm, that is the package manager for serverless, and then we are going to use npm itself to install the serverless package, and finally we are going to see what is the version of serverless and how we can take help of serverless built-in libraries to create our project. Let us go to our server where we are going to do these configurations. Here we are in my terminal, and if you are using Red Hat Linux just like me, then you will need to install the EPL packages so that you can install npm. So I'm going to install the EPL package now, and let us go ahead and do the installation of npm after that. So my EPL is installed, so let me go ahead and install npm. So my packages are getting installed now, and it will be finished in a moment. So now my npm is installed. I'm going to install the serverless package. Of all the other libraries available, I'm going to use this package because it allows me to deploy both in AWS as well as in Microsoft Azure and also in other function as a service cloud service providers. So let us go ahead and see how to install this. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to install it globally. So npm install -g and serverless. Go ahead and hit enter, and it is going to fetch all the packages that are necessary and validate them for my environment, and I'm going to install that. So my serverless installation is complete. Let us go ahead and check whether it has been complete or not. So the serverless command is SLS, and then I'm just going to check whether I can create it using the help command. So when I do something like serverless create --help, it is going to give me all the command options for creating a new project. Here it says that I can use the template option, and under template it can choose AWS Python and Python 3.7, or I can deploy it in Google or Azure. So it is all created the boilerplate templates to create your own microservice in whichever technology platform you want to deploy. So we are going to use one of these built-in templates and find out how to create our microservice that we will be deploying in AWS Python, and our runtime is going to be 2.7. So if you are interested in developing for AWS Python 3.7, go ahead and use this template. So in this next video, we are going to create our first project and see how we can set up our microservice. Thanks for watching.